Welcome to FacilityBot. In this video, we will walk you through creating corrective requests from a checklist. FacilityBot allows users to create corrective requests directly from a checklist, turning identified issues into actionable work requests during inspections. This ensures faster tracking, assignment, and resolution, streamlining maintenance workflows without duplicate data entry. To create a corrective request from a checklist in FacilityBot, log in to the FacilityBot web portal, navigate to Features, then Checklists. Hover over the active or completed checklist you want to create a corrective request from, then click the two overlapping boxes icon to generate a corrective request. Choose a Create Corrective Request form under Request Type and fill in the details. Click Submit once done. Once created, the corrective request is automatically associated with the originating checklist item, providing full traceability between inspections and follow-up actions. Creating corrective requests from checklists ensures inspection issues are addressed promptly, with less manual effort and improved data accuracy. By linking inspections to corrective actions, FacilityBot strengthens accountability, supports compliance, and streamlines maintenance workflows. Thank you for watching. For more guides, visit FacilityBot Help Center or reach out to our support team.